Hello. Every year, thousands of students choose science, commerce, or humanities after class 10. But many of them realize later on that it was not their proper choice. Do you know why? Because they didn't took out time to understand themselves first and then uh, select their stream. As I had already pointed out, when it comes to career selection, self awareness is important. Anyways, before I begin with this counseling video, I would like every class 10th student watching this video to think about a few questions. Class 11th and 12th, just 2 more years of schooling, or 2 important years to start preparing for your future career. When you choose a stream, are you choosing it because others are choosing it, or because you truly want to build your future in that direction? Question 3. If you select a particular stream today, are you ready to study those subjects seriously for the next 2 years? Dear children, as you proceed with the video, keep these questions in your mind. There is one important thing I want every class 10th student to understand. When you enter class 11th and 12th, it is not just about continuing the school for 2 more years. It is the stage where you start preparing yourself for your future uh, careers. Now, till class 10, your education is mostly basic and common for everyone. But from class 11th onwards, you are expected to take your subject seriously and build deeper knowledge in a particular area. Now, let us try to understand the stream selection through a short counseling conversation between a student and career counselor. Okay, good evening. Before you start, let me ask, I'm asking the student in front of me, what are your goals? What would you like to become in the future? This
Ma'am, honestly, I'm not very sure. Everyone is asking me which stream I will choose, but I have not thought about my career.
happens with many students. Students start thinking about the subjects first, but they should start with self understanding first. Stream is understand your interest, identify your strengths, explore the career possibilities, and then select the stream that support those careers. Okay, so now you can ask me your questions. Let me take the question from the student.
Ma'am, what if a student is not very interested in studies?
That is also important question. Not every student has the same interest. Some students are more interested in skills, practical work, creative fields, or vocational courses. So, if the student is not interested in studies, it is not the right path. It is important to explore more skill based courses, vocational courses, instead of wasting 2 years. You can get yourself enrolled there. What matters most is the seriousness and commitment towards whatever path you choose. Success, children, does not depend only on the degrees which you earn, but it depends on how sincerely you develop your skills and abilities.
Ma'am, my friends are choosing science. Should I also choose science?
Oh, this is one of the most common mistakes these students make. Your career path should depend on what your friends should not depend on what your friends are choosing. Each student has different abilities, different interests, and different career goals. So, you all should see five fingers are not same. Our choices are not same. We do not eat same food. So how it is possible that you adopt is your friend similar in every aspect as you are? So, dear children, please rethink. Do not choose your subjects which your friends are choosing. Try to realize what is good in you. Try to connect with the things and then take the decisions.
Ma'am, are marks very important?
See, marks are important, but they are not the only factor. And as I have been repeating now, before choosing the subject or the stream, ask yourself, do I enjoy studying the subject? Do I understand the concept easily? Can I study the subject for the next 2 years? Dear children, why I have taken up this topic? Because I have been seeing from last 3 years, since when I started counseling, I had been seeing children struggling with the science, but still not agreeing to leave science. Then children, see, we are here, we can just explain you the things. Rest is up to you. That's how I decided to prepare this video, so that I can reach the masses of these students. And
People say that science has more scope.
this is a very common misconception. Today, every stream offers excellent opportunities. Science, engineering, medicine, research, AI, commerce, business, finance, management, humanities, psychology, law, civil services, social media now. Now the subject has been introduced in the ministry also, that the children should be guided how to prepare the content for YouTube. So anything and everything is possible now. And I would be making the videos in the upcoming days suggesting you careers with different subjects. So do like, share and subscribe so that you get all the notification on your phones. Now, see, before choosing a stream, students should explore different career possibilities. Sometimes students think that science, doctor or engineer, commerce only CA, humanities only limited options. But the reality is that hundreds of careers exist today.
Choose the wrong stream, will my career be spoiled?
No, your career will not be spoiled. Choosing a stream is an important decision. Your time would be wasted. Your crucial 2 years will be wasted. So, in that way, you should please again and again think about it and then choose your subjects. Today, there are many opportunities where you can change your direction, develop new skills, and explore different careers and at any point of your life. If you are ready to sacrifice, then it is your choice, children. What matters more than the subject is your curiosity, your dedication, and your willingness to learn. Students, remember one important thing. Choosing a stream is not about selecting the popular option. Okay? It is about choosing the option where your interest, ability, and effort can go together. When these three come together, success becomes much more meaningful. Dear children, if you find that this video is helpful, do share with your friends of class 10th and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Before I conclude, I would like to tell you what inspired me to make this video. My personal experiences with the children in the counseling sessions about the stream selection inspired me. See, I have been able to convince a few, but some of them they are now wasting their time, children. That is why I want you all to rethink your decision, because see, if you continually fail in the subject, then your self-esteem also goes down. Your confidence is um, goes to zero. So you will be able to enjoy your life when you realize your passion. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.